Nokia Trailers is the latest addition to Nokia's lineup of exclusive applications for its Lumia Windows Phone devices. This time it's all about viewing film or movie trailers. You can see in the opening panorama here we've got a featured page with The Dark Knight Rises, quick play, download and sharing buttons there. Just added, you've got the 10 most recent trailers added to the service, then there's highlights to pick out specific movies, as well as a menu page for accessing additional functionality and content. Let's just go back to the just added page here. We can dive into one of the movie here to see some more details. You've got information about the genre, the release date, user ratings, director and cast information, and here we can see the availability of the trailer. Streaming it, we can download it, and we can share it with our friends. If I click off a download, you can see the download starts in the background. We can go along to another trailer. This, for example, is Skyfall for James Bond. There's the user voting here. Do I want to see this movie? Most definitely. You can see here I've downloaded the trailer earlier, so if I click the playback button there, you'll see it starts off the standard Windows Phone video playback method. And you can see here MGM and Columbia and James Bond looking suitably serious. I'm sure a lot of people will be going to see this later in the year. If we go back to the application, just go over and see a couple more trailers. We can see here, for example, The Dark Knight Rises. This is a good example because there's multiple trailers available. Go back to the main panorama of the application. Have a look at some of the other functionality here. For example, in the menu page here we've got in theatres, coming soon, most popular in all movies. That's the way you get at all the content. There's about 50 trailers listed altogether within the application. They're updated automatically as new trailers become available. You can see here there's all the movies just finished in the background was that trailer I was downloading. We now go to the downloads page. We'll see all those downloads listed, including the one I've just done. You can also delete the trailers here, so let's just delete that one. There we go, that's how you manage your downloads. There's also a watch list. That's like a favourite list of all your movies. You can add something to the watch list from the movie details page. There's also a clever little movie theatres functionality here. This will load up a map and you can see where your local cinema is. If we just zoom into one of the details here. Let's see, my local cinema I think is over here, so that should be listed. There we go, there's the information. Picking up address and phone number. The address you can copy to the clipboard and then copy into a navigation program. It's a shame it's not fully integrated, but that's a minor quibble there. So there we go, there's a quick look at the Nokia Trailers application. I'm sure this is kind of the ideal application for movie buff, but I think it's been really nicely implemented. It shows off Metro very well. A lot of the platform features have been very well used. A lot of thought has gone into the design. It's very easy to use. Great way of getting content onto your device, thoroughly recommended.